Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to review the boxycharm. I am bilingual, I speak French and English, so if you don't understand a word of what I say, let me know in the commentary section. So I already opened the box, of course, and I'm just going to name each product without the package that it comes with, and after that I will let you see the rest throughout the entire video. So in this boxycharm August 2019, we have this eyeshadow from Borderlander and I love it. I'm gonna say to you exactly what I like to and what I don't. We have the Becca powder, translucent powder. It's the first time I use it. We have a mascara from Taste. We have 3 brushes, a press or cream glitter shadow by Assay Beauty. I hope I pronounced it very well. So it comes with a pink one and a white one, and a glow ahead from Wonder Beauty, glow ahead illuminating face oil. So if you want to know what I think about the product and how the product works, please keep on watching. So start by the primer. This one is not a primer but as an illuminator glowing. I don't know if they have like a somewhere you can let them know that you have a sensible skin, or what is your skin tone, you black or dark or black or brown or white, so they can actually send you a product that you can use, because I have a sensible skin and the last thing I'm already having a breakout. You cannot see because I'm too far, but I'm having it and I want something just super soft with my skin, and I'm gonna give a try with this one. I hope I don't look too yellow. So I actually love the, ooh, darling, did you see it? It's so pink. Sorry, I ran out of space. So I'm just going to apply this. So far, when you have a sensible skin, when you just apply, so if the product is too harsh, you're gonna feel it at the first glance, like your face will reject it. And so far, my face is not doing, it's not being dramatic at all. I never use an illuminator, so I don't really know what. I don't really use this illuminator because I have how do you call it? A oily skin. I'm just gonna do my face and foundation, contouring, powder. No, not powder. Powder I will come back here. Face and contouring, then I will be back. Okay. So I just did my face. I used Dior for foundation and this Fantastic concealer in the shade Sweat. I like to use light foundation. Makeup, I don't know, because I just like when it's light on my face. Usually I bake with Laura Mercier because I have oily skin, so if you want something very matte, Laura Mercier is the thing, but I'm trying to go with Becca. I didn't open it. This one is the Hydra Mixed Sets and Refresh Powder, poudre de finition et de retouche, pour ceux qui parlent français. I already see the shade. Did I know, do they know that I am black? I'm African? Okay, because this powder is quite my shade and I like it. Oh. So this is how it looks like. I am so happy that you can get quality product for $21. Keep me close to keep me cool. Alright, baby. I'm just gonna go with a beauty blender then. This one is by Morphe. Ooh, I like the I always like to do the translucent powder on all my face actually, but sometimes it makes me look too yellow, sometimes I look too white, but this one it look like a beautiful mix, so I'm going to try to use it all over the face. I wanted to say something. It has such a fillet inside that actually make the powder, allow your powder to do not come too much. So I'm just gonna set all my face with it. Okay, I like to go very light. If it's a good powder, for people that like to do too much makeup, if it's a good powder, you won't have to put too much actually, because the powder will help. And I'm gonna set my nose. It really has a cooling effect. It's cool when you pour it on your face. It's cool. And I'm gonna push the powder into my skin. So far I really like it. you know, it doesn't really change my face color, my foundation color. You know, you just feel like it's a light step, it's a light powder on your face. So guys, I did put some my under eyes. I did put the Laura Mercier because I just like my under eyes to be bright, but for the rest of the face I did some contouring, and so far I like the makeup powder, for real guys, I do like it. So let's start to the part that I like, to reveal all the box. For the makeup eyes, you have this. It's from Acid Beauty Glimmer Shadow. I never hear about Acid Beauty, and this is let's see what this is. Oh, brush. Happy, I like it. If I knew they had this one, I would have used it at first. I love brush. Okay, so the brush is by the brand Gaia. I don't looks Gaia. And for the eyeshadow, you have two, white and glitter. You have a mascara. So happy because I was running out of mascara. And you have this inside. Okay, I thought this one was from June or May, but I'm so happy they gave it to me, because I did saw some of the other people but didn't receive this one. I don't know. That's actually great. So let's go to the eyes. Okay, so for my crease, I'm gonna use this one. Is by Butter London. The packet is like with wood or plastic. A plastic that is a plastic. It's a plastic. It's not wood. It's a plastic. Okay. So we're gonna start with the shade. This one. This shade. I'm not. So we're just gonna dip into it. It's a very matte. Okay. I never used this brand before, so let's see. I like really to start where my eyebrow end. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Oh my god, I wanted to go for a pinky, but I love this brown. I do. I definitely do love it. And for the next color, I wanted to go with the pinky, okay? I didn't know I would receive this one again. I am so happy. Okay, for the pink, I don't know what brush I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna try to use my flat green blush. It's a little hard to come in, but it's worth it. I'm keeping trying to apply, so it's a little hard, not hard like hard, but okay. I need a, and I'm gonna use the pink one in my under eyes. I'm going to do this one eyes, and I'm coming. So okay guys, I wanted to give a little info. When I was doing under, I didn't really like that pink. I don't know, it was a little difficult to apply. I didn't like it, so I decided to put another color on top. I'm gonna show you it later. Here I did use the same brown that we used at first, and then I added this Huda Beauty color, Love Bite and Spank. You know, because it was the transition color wasn't really that. It was too brown and too pink, so we wanted something very neutral to add it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply this one on at the first step. Okay, then you see when I use the other transition, it matched a little faster. Then I will use here Queen. I love this color, and this eyeshadow is applying so well. I use Queen on top of the pink. Okay baby? Okay baby, so after I finished to apply the pink one that I didn't really like, but I see that I didn't really like because the transition wasn't really that, but it actually applied very well with your finger. With your finger it applied very well. It come out so better than with the brush. Anyways, too late. And I will apply this color again. I'm showing you guys. It's like a a pink champagne gold, baby. And I'm gonna use the same brush, so I'm gonna have a better mixage, and it's very well. You see that? See that? See, please see. Alright guys, I'm done. I didn't cheat. I'm gonna explain to you exactly what I did off camera. So for my lips, I did use this Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shape liquid. I don't know. Oh, bittersweet. Sorry, bittersweet is the name of this shade that I use. And for the little bright glows, I did use this Elizabeth Arden. For my blush, sorry, highlight, I use MAC highlight in the shade Gold Deposit. For my blush, I did use I don't see it now, but I did use Morphe blush. Yes, and that's it that I use, and I did put eyelashes. So now I did use this one too. I like it so far, but my favorite mascara is Laura Mercier. I don't know if you guys did use it. Go, if you want to know, go try some sample at Sephora. Laura Mercier mascara is one of the best mascara I ever used. So we're gonna try this one. I'm gonna put it at the lower lashes. Okay guys, we come at the end of my final video. So I'm gonna show real quick what I think and what I like and what I don't like. Okay, so what I think about the product. The Press Acid Beauty, I love it. From 0 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 8. I love it. 8 is good, right? I love it, but to use it better, I recommend you to use it with your finger, especially the pink one. The illuminating oil, I will let you know after, because I have an oily skin. I don't know how it's gonna respond with my skin, if it's gonna make my skin very oily or not. So far away, I'm not gonna give a number. From this one, I'm gonna give it a 10. A 10, except the blue one that is not very pigmented. I tried it, it's not. Up from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 10, except the blue. Blue is gonna get a 6. For the blushes, the way it's applied, we didn't use this one, so we can really blame her. This one is quite great for the inner corner, so I'm gonna give him a 10. And for the Big Ego Tarte, I didn't really see a big difference, very big difference. I'm gonna give it a 7. And for the Becca powder, I love light makeup, I love light foundation, even though my makeup is bold. I will give the Becca one 10. Yes, 10. Yeah. So far, thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Et si vous parlez français, pitié, dites-le moi en commentaire. Des gens qui parlent français ou pas, ok?